Yes, today we have a problem with the dishwasher here, and it sounds really intense. It's making a really loud humming noise, like it sounds something like this. Yeah, and that really gets on your nerves, and the end result was that now the RCD, or rather the circuit breaker, tripped. And when I reset the circuit breaker, the LS switch, the line circuit breaker, tripped. And with that I knew, okay, something's wrong with the machine. In the end, it turned out that the heating element was defective. Today, I'll show you what it sounds like, the humming noise when the dishwasher is draining and makes this buzzing sound. Then it's due to the drain pump if the dishwasher is running normally, meaning it's circulating the water continuously. And if it's making such a loud humming noise, then it's because of the circulation pump. Today is the first part, the acoustic problem. The second part will be about how to remove a drain pump. And the third part is then about how to remove the circulation pump or how to replace the heating element. Actually, the manufacturer does not intend for the heating element to be replaced, but you can still replace it. And I'll show you in the video how all of that works. With these samples here on the machine, the issue is with the circulation pump. Apparently a foreign object somehow got into the circulation pump. I can only imagine it happened like this, because inside at the bottom you have this filter screen. And when cleaning this filter screen, during removal, probably when we took out the filter to clean it, some paper ended up down in the circulation pump. The paper somehow got stuck in the pump, and as a result the pump probably had a harder time starting up. It started making noises or got clogged and couldn't circulate the way it was supposed to. In any case, the paper kept getting caught on the metal where the heater was running, and there were already clear scrape marks from the paper. And I think that had something to do with it, because exactly opposite the scrape marks, there was a short circuit directly to the metal. Here you can see the drain pump, and with the drain pump, if it starts making strange noises, you first have to check and remove the water from the filter at the bottom. Of course, you have to be careful that you don't... Yeah, because there could be glass shards down there, maybe from a glass that broke or something like that. You have to be careful there, because you can really hurt yourself. I always soaked it up with a dish towel, because you always have to be careful that there isn't... Maybe wear gloves while doing it, so you don't hurt yourself. Once you've removed the water, you can see the little wheel. The little wheel has to be able to move freely. I've really even found lemon seeds firmly lodged within the mechanism before. Another foreign object became firmly embedded inside. The wheel was grinding against the lemon seed. It kept making this grinding noise. Let me see if I can find that sound somewhere. Then I can show it here as an overlay. Otherwise, it can also make a humming noise if there's an object stuck inside the pump, either rubbing against it or caught in the wheel or stuck behind the wheel. If it's stuck behind the wheel, of course you have the problem that you can't see it like this. In that case, you really have to remove the pump, meaning the drain pump, to possibly find a foreign object there. I'll link that for you, then everything will be up here again. I'm not sure yet if I'll split this into 4 parts again, removing the environmental bomb and the salt element. Those are... Actually, it's really all done in one go. Alright, that's it again. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be happy if you gave it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, of course, I'd also appreciate a subscription. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.